If I look at the chart of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it looks like it's basing. Ethereum has a decent chance of getting to 20,000. I mean, that's a value proposition. Even with Bitcoin going to 200,000 to 300,000, one's 8x, one's 16x from here.
BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you're a big fan of Ethereum, then make sure to smash the like button so YouTube knows to show Ethereum videos to more people. I think we can actually get 25,000 likes on this video. Help us get there. In this video, we're going to be breaking down comments by one of the smartest investors in the world, Raoul Pal. He was recently on Cambridge House's YouTube channel for an interview from their CEO, Jay Martin. You can find the full video down below, but make sure to watch this one first. But one thing is for sure, Raoul likes Bitcoin, but he loves Ethereum. Sounds like I've heard somebody else say that before. Then at the end of this video, we're going to be taking a look at one of the projects we're partnered with, DexKit. They are the architects behind bitswapdex.io, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned all the way until the end of this video. Raoul Pal is one of the savviest investors around. He's also the founder of Real Vision, financial channel helping investors across many different asset classes. But lately, Raoul has been loading up on an emerging asset class.
Okay, so at what point then should, I guess, and not at what point, but should people start considering moving to cash, Raoul? Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, I mean, look, I don't have any equity positions. I'm basically all crypto.
That's right, folks. And keep this in mind. Raoul was one of the only voices warning people of a financial crisis in 2008. Everyone back then thought the market was killing it, but they were about to get killed themselves. But meanwhile, there were some major red flags going up indicating a large bubble was coming at that time. Of course, no one listened. And now, with the recent pandemic, Pal believes the same thing is about to happen again. He calls it a three-phase cycle in which ultimately the US economy will become insolvent. Mostly because he believes another lockdown is looming in both the United States and Europe. Scary stuff for the economic reasons alone. But the stock market is continuing to climb, and more people than ever are jumping in thanks to the Wall Street Bets war on the stock exchange. But Pal believes there is something going on that most people can't see.
Could end up with this, Wile E. Coyote moment where everybody's looking that way and the economy is about to go that way.
I honestly got the chills when he said that because this interview was filmed before the rush of dumb money into the market with stocks. Now, everyone I know thinks they are the Wolf of Wall Street. We've been warning people on this channel the last few days about how there could be something bigger going on under the surface we can't see, and Pal believes what's really going on could be exposed soon. The market could pop. I find myself agreeing a lot with things Raoul says. Now, we spoke on our live streams last week about how important the monthly close was for Bitcoin. After reaching a peak of 42K, we found ourselves in the midst of a 30% correction. I told you that 25 to 40% pullbacks are normal, but it was important we didn't drop all the way back down to 21K or so, because 50% corrections aren't really that normal in bull markets for Bitcoin. Thankfully, we stayed within that range. Now, in this interview, Pal echoes that exact sentiment.
But compared to prior cycles, it should go a lot further. But all prior cycles have multiple 40%, 30% corrections.
But as we know, the dip was harsh. A lot of people rushed into the market with FOMO after Bitcoin hit 40K. 30% drop meant a lot of people got wrecked. Mostly new retail investors, of course, and I hope they held through the dip. But Pal's strategy is to never panic. In fact, he thinks there is only one way to optimize your portfolio during these drastic corrections: buy the dip.
If I get any more cash, I will just buy a dip. And I'll be tilting it more towards Ethereum than Bitcoin. I'm currently 80-20.
Yeah.
Add to Ethereum because I think it's going to outperform in this cycle.
Whoa, did he say what I just think he said? Not only is he buying these Bitcoin dips, he's actually focused more on Ethereum than Bitcoin. Someone's been watching the channel. We've been preaching this for the last year. I think Powell went through the same stages of crypto addiction most of the Bit Squad probably has gone through. You hear about crypto for the first time, you get super excited about Bitcoin. It makes sense. You discover its properties and what makes it great. Then you hear about Ethereum. Eventually, you start comparing charts, potential, and fundamentals, and you realize that the true gem in crypto is not the first mover, it's the second one right now. So just how bullish is Raul on Ethereum? Well, let's hear it directly from him.
You briefly mentioned there you're looking at Ethereum. You were weighted 80-20 BTC to Ethereum, and are you expecting that to change in 2021?
Yeah, I'm hoping to add to Ethereum soon, and I will probably continue to add to that, because if I look at the chart of Ethereum versus Bitcoin, it looks like it's basing. Usually, Ethereum is also very much following the 2017 Bitcoin cycle, both in price, in number of wallet addresses, in market cap. I mean, it's identical. It's kind of spooky, which tells you this is being driven by Metcalfe's law and adoption effects than almost anything else. So if that's the case, then we know Ethereum has a decent chance of getting to 20,000, considering right now it's at 11,800. 1,180.
Yeah.
I mean, holy, that's a value proposition. Even with Bitcoin going to 200,000 to 300,000, one's 8x, one's 16x from here.
Now, to be clear, he was saying a 16x from the price when it was around $1,200. That would put it around 19,200, which he believes is the floor of its potential. You guys who keep saying I'm crazy if we're talking about a $27,000 Ethereum are gonna learn. It's not that outlandish. And I stand by that prediction 100%. When I hear people like Raul Powell chime in with a 20K prediction, it just gives me that much more confidence. But let me know what your thoughts on Ethereum are by dropping a comment down below. So let's actually switch gears here from a pal to a partner with DexKit. This project is an all-in-one DeFi platform that is making swapping and managing cryptocurrencies easier than ever. This is possible through DexKit's powerful aggregator technology that pulls information from over 14 DEX protocols to give users all the information they need to make profitable trades. These aggregators have gotten a big performance boost with more accurate gas estimates, no fees for trading BIT on BitSwap and KIT on DSwap, and a fiat on-ramp where users can load their DEX wallet directly with a credit or debit card. We'll talk about this even more in a future video. The aggregator is just the foundation of DexKit's complete DeFi toolkit. The team has just released a demo version of the advanced DEX exchange and the DeFi dashboard. The exchange utilizes the aggregator for all market buys and sells. But here's the kicker. You can also place cross-protocol orders on the platform, including limit, stop, and leverage. Limit orders can be placed for free because the taker pays the gas for the transaction. This means that when the price for your order is reached, a wallet-to-wallet swap is performed through the cross-protocol order book. This is a highly efficient and cost-effective way to manage risk while trading on the DEX platforms. You can kind of think of DexKit like Batman using his gadgets to stop evildoers and save your ETH. Wait, does that make me Robin? Absolutely not. Holy blockchain, Batman. The exchange also features graphs, charts, and order history from all major DEXs. Users can bookmark their favorite protocols or pull information from multiple protocols at once. Advanced users can also deploy bots that can profit from arbitrage. This is a way of making quick trades to profit from price discrepancies on the same token. ETH bots, roll out! The latest app demo that was revealed is the DeFi dashboard. This tool is a one-stop shop for portfolio management and analytics. The dashboard features a multi-currency wallet with cross-chain support, including BTC, ETH, and DOT, protocols, tokens, and pair explorers, and unique DeFi tools for managing positions. Users will be able to monitor the performance of their complete portfolio, including LP tokens or liquidity pool tokens. No more thinking you lost your LP tokens because they're hiding in Etherscan. You can see them right there in your DexKit dashboard. Monitor your staking and farming positions as well. Swaps can be performed directly from the dashboard itself, and information about tokens, pairs, networks, and protocols are also accessible. Arguably, the most impressive feature is their Transformer Kits. And no, I'm not talking about Optimus Prime. Transformer Kits allow users to perform complex DeFi actions in one transaction. Anyone who stakes, farms, or provides liquidity knows how annoying it is to manage these platforms. Users must perform multiple transactions, resulting in costly gas fees. The dashboard will help you easily convert tokens, provide LPs, stake, and withdraw rewards all in one transaction. This will save money on gas and simplify interacting with DeFi contracts. If you like to trade on dexes like I do, especially bitswapdex.io, you probably have 100 tabs open on your browser. Things can, of course, get downright frantic. Between copying the contract, checking prices on CoinGecko, and figuring out what's going on with Etherscan, it's hard to really know what's happening right now. But this dashboard will completely replace these platforms and give you all the information you need in a simple and easy to use interface. It's like a crypto Swiss Army knife with a wine opener, spatula, and back scratcher. DexKit is providing valuable tools that make navigating the world of decentralized finance easier and more profitable. Many of the advanced features on these applications will require users to hold the native KIT token, so it could be a good idea to stock up now before the apps are released. Until then, be sure to check out the DexKit aggregator and app demos. If you want to keep up with all the stuff going on with DexKit, make sure to check out their IG page. You can find the link to their Instagram and the Poppin' Telegram group down below in the description. We have both of those for you. And of course, you can also buy KIT tokens at bitswapdex.io or on Bilaxy.com. But let me know what you guys think about DexKit and BitSwap, for that matter, down below in the comments. Also, if you're a fan of Ethereum, make sure to smash the likes up so YouTube knows to push the Ethereum mmessage to more people. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.